Oppo Reno 6 series got 3C certification yesterday. The smartphone will use Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 870 chips. Hey, what's up? It's Anwar for TechNewLeaks. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Oppo Reno 6 series. The Oppo Reno 6 series has been exposed before and all the models in the series use different processors. According to previous reports, this series will have 3 models. These models will come with MediaTek's Dimensity 1200, Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 and Snapdragon 888 chipsets. Yesterday, a couple of Oppo smartphones got 3C certification. According to DSCC, the new smartphones will come with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 870 chips. Furthermore, all the devices come with a single punch-hole display in the upper left corner. Also, all these displays will support a 90Hz refresh rate as well as a 65W fast charging capacity. According to the report, this device is most likely the Oppo Reno 6 series. In addition to the 65W fast charging capacity and the 90Hz refresh rate, there are reports that the Oppo Reno 6 will use a battery of around 4500 mAh. This device will also come with an AMOLED display that supports an on-screen fingerprint sensor. The Oppo Reno 6 will use the MediaTek chip, the MediaTek MT6893, which turns out to be the Dimensity 1200 SoC. In addition to the processor, the Oppo Reno 6 will also come with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. However, there may be more variants as this 128GB may be the basic model. We also expect this device to come with ColorOS 11.1 on top of Android 11 out of the box. As of now, there is no official launch date for the Oppo Reno 6 series. However, just like the Reno 4 series, we expect this device to be exclusive to China for some time before its global launch. Recall that the Oppo Reno 4 series also has a 4G exclusive variant. For the Oppo Reno 6 series, there is no indication that it will have a 4G exclusive variant. All the processors so far support 5G. The Oppo Reno 4 series was officially released in June 2020 and the Reno 5 series was released in December 2020. If we went to follow the trend, the Oppo Reno 6 series should arrive sometime in June this year. What do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Oppo Reno 6 or Reno 6 Pro? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.